पीएम की आंख में डर दिखता है। एप्स्टीन केस दिख रहा है सर, सर आंख में आंख नहीं मिला पाते हैं, पूरा सरेंडर है। He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians. The nation has been sold. The nation has been sold out. Its data has been sold. Sir, its farmers have been sold. In a turbulent world, all its software engineers have been sold out. Its small and medium businesses have been sold out. And most importantly, our forces and our energy security has been sold out. That you have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India? Yes. Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame? That the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani.
नहीं ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं कहाँ क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
It is targeted, sir, at the financial network of the BJP, at the financial architecture of the BJP. Speaker, sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question: why is he not in jail? The reason he is not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files. That's why he's not in jail.
Rahul ji, जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri who introduced him to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no.
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
and Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
वो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी हो,
Hardeep Puri है सर,
रानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता।
Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave.
So there is a certain businessman whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, I feel file. No. You are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir. No,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है। No. ये भी कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा।
You are an ex-member of our party, so I will not go very aggressive today.
Why you are mentioning too much?
You are a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
Ex-member, no. But
and we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here.
We like you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you, sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
we know your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
we know your heart is here, sir.
नहीं, मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते। आप अगर if you are sitting there, तो only because of you have not taken my advice. Here I'm advising you. Here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track. So I think so. Still you have time. Still you have time to you should move on correct track.
As today, as you are sir, in the spirit of our conversation, I will not say the name Epstein, and I will not say the name Anil Ambani, and I will not say the name. No, I will not say, sir. So I will not go into the names. But I would like to say.
I think so. You have to speak only on budget. बैठिए किसी आप बजट पे बोलिए ना.
Nice. So, Speaker sir, so I will avoid that.
अब तो आप नहीं कहेंगे उस दिन आपने इनको
बोलने तो दीजिए सर. So, the point is that I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on him. I do not, sir, this budget that you have.
You and your member have not made any question. I believe that day when Piyush Goyal had made a statement on the floor of the House.
सर मुझे अब कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर.
चलिए
नहीं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर.
Okay, thank you.
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर.
नहीं, kindly conclude. Kindly conclude.
Now, I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister would do this. लॉजिक ही नहीं है सर. लॉजिक नहीं है सर. ये जो हुआ है सर, ये पूरा सरेंडर है. सर आपने ज्यादा बोलने दिया मुझे आज. सर आपने मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा जाने दिया आज.
बात आ गई.
तो दिस इज अ होलसेल सरेंडर एंड इट इज अ ट्रेजेडी because it is a surrender not just of the Prime Minister. He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians. And he has surrendered the future because he wants to protect the BJP's financial architecture, on which there is a case in the United States. He has surrendered.
Oh, sir,
I'm not saying anything.
he must authenticate on all the allegations he has made.
I will authenticate right now. I've got it.
You have to
Because sir, let me authenticate. Let me authenticate, sir.
But kindly
Sir, he has said to authenticate. I will authenticate right now.
That you have to just give in advance, and that you have to
No, sir.
submit.
I will
That you
authenticate right now. I'm authenticating.
मैं आपसे नहीं मांग.
I will say it and then I will give it.
नो नो मिस्टर राहुल जी.
I will say it now and I will give it.
नहीं राहुल
I have it
जी,
here.
ये पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ने कहा, चेयर आपसे नहीं मांग रही अभी.
So you have asked for authentication now. You have not given it to me.
आप अपनी स्पीच को रखिए. आप रखिए अपनी स्पीच को.